Assalamualaikum grade 9. How are you today? Hopefully you are fine. Okay, as usual, I know that you all are fine in the great condition. Okay, before we start the lesson, so how about we start it with the Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, yeah? Next. Today we will learn about expression. Mostly about the expression of buying something, and also the unit of the quantity, and also such that and so that. If you read this passage on your book, page 38, so you will see the red words. Ada a bag of, bits of, piece of, a group of, a pile of, and so on. Sebenarnya itu quantity, ya. Kalau di sini ada a bag of apples. Sebenarnya applesnya nanti boleh diganti karena a bag of itu satuan, ya. Jadi kalau misalnya mau diganti pakai a bag of flour, sekantong tepung, boleh. A bag of toys, sekantong mainan, boleh. Ya. Jadi masing-masing benda itu biasanya suka ada satuannya. Next. Nah, ini teman-teman cuma menjodohkan aja. A bag of itu dipakai untuk apa? Dilihat dari story yang tadi, ya, dilihat dari passage yang tadi. Kalau a pile of itu biasanya tumpukan. A pile of apa yang biasanya bisa ditumpuk? Buku, a pile of book, boleh. Kalau di sini pakainya kayu bakar, ya kan? Jadi a pile of firewood. A group of apa yang biasanya menjadikan satu grup? Orang-orang, apalagi a group of binatang juga suka ada, ya kan, yang grouping gitu. Tapi biasanya mereka punya kayak burung, a group of bird, tapi kita bilang grupnya bukan group tapi flock. Jadi teman-teman, intinya di sini hanya menjodohkan aja kuantitinya sama bendanya. Nah, kalau yang namanya slice of itu untuk benda yang tipis. Kalau di sini kita pakai a slice of paper. Biasanya kita juga bisa pakai a slice of cheese. Itu kan cheese slice itu yang selembaran itu. Boleh juga dipakai paper nggak bisa, boleh juga dipakai a slice of toast, roti tawar yang lembaran itu, ya. Nah, paper kita biasanya pakai a piece of paper. Oke. Next, ya. Jadi ini hanya menjodohkan aja antara quantity dan bendanya. Nah, di sini we will learn about so that and such that. Kalau so that itu dipakai abis so pakainya adjective atau adverb keterangan, baru tambahin that. I was so sleepy that. Abis so biasanya adjective, ya. She was so rich, boleh. That he could buy anything. Di sini sih sebenarnya artinya karena dia begini jadi gitu, ya. Jadi so that sama such that itu artinya jadi. Oke, jadi ada cause-nya, ada penyebabnya, sama ada akibatnya. Kita lihat contohnya. Nih, ada cause-nya, ada penyebabnya, sama ada efeknya, ada akibatnya. It was too windy. Penyebabnya adalah terlalu berangin. Akibatnya, we couldn't go sailing. It was so windy that we couldn't go sailing. Ingat tadi abis so, adjective dulu, baru that. Ya kan? My sister is so shy. Abis so, adjective dulu. Adjektifnya adalah shy. Kalau ini tidak begitu rumit, ya. Teman-teman, nanti ada yang agak lebih rumit lagi. Pokoknya cuma diingat aja formulanya. Abis so, pasti adjektif, kata sifat. The dress was wonderfully designed. I couldn't take my eyes off it. The dress was so wonderfully designed that I couldn't. Ini wonderfully designed, ini adverb, ya. keterangan, bukannya sifat, bukannya adjektif. That I couldn't take my eyes off it. So bisa juga dipakai dengan many, much, few, atau little. I have so many friends. He has so much money. Boleh juga I put so few salt in my food that it tasteless. Karena aku kasih garamnya dikit banget, jadi nggak ada rasanya. Jadi so bisa dipakai untuk many, much, few, and little. Sekarang such. Kalau tadi abis so adjektif langsung that. Kalau sekarang abis such adjektif ada nounnya dulu baru that. Ada penyebabnya, great movie. Akibatnya nonton berkali-kali. It is such a great movie that I've watched it several times. Oke. Jadi ingat, kalau such, habis such adjektif terus noun. Great itu adjektif, movie itu noun. Yang contoh kedua, such a charming woman. Charming itu adjektif, woman itu noun. Ya. Jadi ingat, kalau so cuman so adjektif langsung that. Kalau such adjektif noun baru that. Di sini bukannya pakai such a very charming, bukan, tapi very-nya di drop, dibuang aja. Cuma langsung aja charming woman. Nah, ini teman-teman kalau ada bukunya, if you have your book with you now, so you may open page 39. Contoh yang pertama sudah dikerjakan ya. Kalimatnya adalah it was an easy exam, everybody got 100%. It was such an easy. Ingat, tadi habis such ada adjektif, ada noun. Ya. Such adjektifnya adalah easy, nounnya adalah exam. Kalau tadi so, habis so langsung adjektif baru that. The exam was so easy, langsung ke that. Sekarang kita coba contoh yang kedua. The party was noisy, the neighbors complained. Kita pakai yang such dulu ya. Such, ingat, habis such adjektif baru noun. Oke, jadi it was such. Oh, salah. The party. It was such a noisy party. Kan abis such ada adjektif, ada noun. Noisy itu adjektif, partinya noun. Oke. Jadi di sini dibalik ya. Kalau kita pakai such, bendanya di belakang. Tapi kalau kita pakai so, bendanya yang di depan. Jadi kalau untuk contoh nomor 2, the party was noisy. It was such a noisy party that the neighbors complained. Kalau pakai so, bendanya ke depan. The party was so noisy that the neighbors complained. Oke, nomor 3. It was the good hotel. We decided to stay there next year. Pakai such, bendanya di belakang. Ya, ingat abis such, adjektif, noun. It was such a good hotel that we decided to stay there next year. Kalau pakai so, bendanya di depan. The hotel was so good that we decided to stay there next year. Oke? Ingat ya, jangan kebalik. Kalau pakai such, bendanya di belakang. Such, habis such adjektif, habis adjektif noun, baru that. Kalau pakai so, bendanya di depan, habis so adjektif, baru that. Let's listen.
Module 4, Unit 12, Exercise 2. Read and listen to the dialogue. Check your guesses from Exercise 1.
Rashid goes to the mall during his lunch break.
Excuse me.
Yes, can I help you?
Well, I bought this bracelet last week for my wife. I'm afraid there's a problem with it.
Really? What's that?
Well, the first time she wore it, it broke. I think the clasp is bad quality.
I'm terribly sorry about that. Let me have a look at it.
It's made by hand, so it's very delicate.
Have you got a receipt, please?
Yes, here you are.
Oh, thanks a lot. Well, I really apologize about this. Would you like a refund, or would you like to choose another bracelet?
I'd like another bracelet, please. A stronger one.
What about this one? It's slightly more expensive, but it's a really good one.
It's very nice. How much more is it?
It's 100 dirhams more, but I'll only charge you an extra 50.
Okay, I'll have that one, please.
Right, here you are. And I'm sorry about that other bracelet.
That's okay. And thanks very much.
Not at all. Would you like a box for it?
Yes, please.
Oke, jadi di sini teman-teman cuman mengisi aja. Kalau lihat di buku itu ada di page 40. Teman-teman cuma ngisi aja. Jadi didengerin. Tadi pertamanya dia ngomong apa ya? Excuse me. Ditulis, excuse me. Yes, can I help you? Well, I bought bracelet last week. I am apa? Gitu kan ya? Terus, what's that? Well, the first time I use it kenapa? Jadi coba untuk mendengarkan, jangan lihat bukunya dulu, kita nggak dengerin dulu, oke? Next.
Module 4, Unit 12, Everyday Listening, Exercise 1. Listen to 3 shop dialogues and complete the table. Dialogue 1.
Can I help you?
Yes, I bought this model car for my son, and when he opened it, there were some pieces missing.
Let's have a look. Right. Have you got the receipt?
No, sorry, I can't find it. Oh, here it is.
Thanks. Would you like a refund, or would you prefer to choose another model?
Well, have you got the same model car?
I'm afraid that was the only one we had. I could order one for you.
Yes, could you? Thanks very much. He collects them, you see, and he especially wanted that one.
Okay, fine. Can I just take your name and phone number?
Yes, it's Mrs. Susan.
Dialogue 2.
Can I help you?
I bought this game on Saturday, but it doesn't work on my computer.
Let's see. Look, it says what you need on the cover.
I didn't look when I bought it. Can I change it for another game?
Well, not really, because you've opened the box and put it in your computer. We can't sell it again.
What? But I've got the receipt!
Okay. Wait a minute, I'll have a word with the manager. You're in luck. He said you can change it for another game.
Oh, good.
Make sure you check what it says on the box this time.
All right.
Dialogue 3.
Excuse me?
Yes? Can I help you?
hope so. I bought this top last week, but when I washed it, the colours ran. Here, can you see? It's gone all pink.
Oh, yes. That's not very good, is it? Have you got the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Great. Well, I can give you a refund, or I can change it for another one.
I think I'd prefer my money back, please.
Sure, no problem.
Oke, di sini teman-teman cuman dengerin aja terus mengisi. Kalau customer satu tadi dia beli apa? Terus kenapa? What did the customer buy? Dia beli apa? Why did itu kenapa dia komplain? What does the customer get in the end? Mereka dapat apa? Apakah ditukar ataukah dapat uang ataukah bagaimana? Oke. Nah, exercise 2-nya you just match from the conversation their apa itu namanya? Their character. Rude, apakah kasar, apakah tired and sleepy, capek dan ngantuk, ataukah agresif, ataukah polite, sopan, ataukah cheerful, ceria, ataukah nervous yang bingung, ya. Dialog 1 customer-nya gimana? Tired and sleepy, ya, ditulis tired and sleepy. Kalau shop assistant-nya gimana? Oke, cheerful, ya, sudah tulis cheerful. Oke? Next. Okay, that's all for today. So thank you so much, grade 9. Hopefully you won't have any difficulty to do this lesson today. Okay, see you next week and stay healthy, stay happy. Bye bye, grade 9. Wassalamualaikum.